Take control of your manufacturing data and operations without bloated, off-the-shelf software. Libre by Spruik Technologies empowers you to understand your production losses and create a continuous improvement program to eradicate them. Real-time dashboards, schedule management, order management, performance monitoring, Pareto analysis, and diagnostics. Libre allows you to start simple using our pre-built low-code accelerators and scale from there using your existing resources. Libre is easily configurable. Sites, production areas, equipment lines, and individual equipment. Set downtime or scrap reasons for equipment to drill down on root cause analysis. Though Libre is not a scheduling engine, it does allow you to create and manage schedules, providing the time-based context for OEE to do analysis down to the order. What was I running? When was I running it? What line was it? Libre scheduling tools help you analyze your assets and provide critical context to optimize your lean manufacturing program. Area overviews allow you to see production line efficiency and performance metrics, providing you with real-time information on performance level and enabling machine monitoring from anywhere. With hierarchical equipment drill downs, you can analyze and evaluate the data necessary for determining a course of action. Libre was created to change the continuous improvement paradigm for manufacturing companies. We partner with leading low-code platform Mendix, powering Libre for rapid application development. It's time for manufacturers to be free to innovate, free of vendor lock-in, free of excessive software license costs, free to choose how they support their software and who they use to do it. Libre streamlines data to drive your continuous improvement efforts for lean manufacturing, enabling you to identify and eradicate losses. Libre, free to innovate, free to create, free to improve.